You will be the wand holder. Okay. If you guys scoop over, just step over that way about 2 steps. All right. Now, here, hold on to this wand for a second. What'd you do? That's my only wand. How am I going to do a trick without a wand? Oh, I got one right here. Okay, you have lost your job as wand holder. We can go around to the other end there. You will be the wand holder now, okay? Whatever you do, don't break my wand, okay? You're going to lose your job as wand holder if you break it. So hold on to that, okay? Alright, that's good. Alright. Okay, what I want you to do is take that wand and wave it over this. Yeah, you're fired. To the end line. You're not related to them, are you?
He's related to me.
Hold on to this. Did she break it too?
She's already gone.
Maybe only guys are allowed to hold on to this. Alright. What you're going to do is magically wave, okay, just wave your wand over that and it'll blow up. Try again. Wait a minute. Do it again. Perfect. Just like magic. Thank you, sir. I couldn't do it without your help. Thanks, guys. Go on up there. Alright. I need a very... Hold on. You might want to put your hands down. Let me...